Oh, more rain. Wonderful. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna film a little bit of extra footage for like a vloggy of my day. I've just filmed a tutorial that maybe when you watch this video it will already be up. It's about French seams, how to do a French seam. So I've done that and I've just got quite a few jobs to do. I've got a commission and a Christmas order to do for a customer in Australia, so I need to crack on with that. And that's really the main thing that I need to do. And hopefully, if I don't think I will. I've only got like an hour and a half left before Mum comes back with my little boy, so I'm not sure I'll get it done. But I am also hoping to do a little bit more of a personal project. I just had this buzz to like make something for me because I haven't done that in so long, and yeah, maybe I'll get time, but I might also film some bits for that in a separate video so you can see. I don't know, this is just gonna probably be a waffly vlog, but just in case you're in your sewing room and you like to watch some YouTube videos in the background, or I don't know if you do, I just thought I'd have a chat and we could sew together and do a little bit of tidying, you know. So yeah, let's crack on because I haven't got long. Okay, I better wrap this up because I need to go and make lunch. So I'm sorry if this vlog was a little bit like blah, blah, blah. But I just thought it's easier for me sometimes to have like a chatty video and not worry about doing extra tutorials when I haven't actually got that much time. So I apologise if this isn't your thing, but if you do like this thing, a few of you have told me before, they're like, oh, I love your little random chatty vlogs, so you're welcome. So yeah, I better go. So give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment below if you want to ask me anything, if you have a suggestion for something that you want me to do in future, please, I would love to hear. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe. Did I say like subscribe if you haven't already? And I will see you next week for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.